Alright, I just got done delivering my Christmas tree to the dollar store. I got my tree, I got my present I'm going to give to Percy, and I also got my ornaments. I also need a water bottle because I'm a tank engine, but that's good. Anyway, without further ado, let's get this tree set up. Put it right there. Perfect. Man, they can't even put this one up. Ow!
A few moments later.
And finally, right here. Wow, that is the most beautiful tree I've ever made. What do I want to call it? I call you the hackle-hoo. Now, since I got my wonderful tree done, might as well put the present that's underneath. What is that? I swear FedEx has some explaining to do because I'm tired of all this. You get the wallet. What is he doing here? I didn't order no Wallace. I didn't order him. What was he doing in the box? I'm immediately gonna have to call FedEx and I'm gonna sue him tomorrow. What was he doing in my present? And I'm gonna give the Percy. He's supposed to be in the ocean. Hello there, good friend. I'm Thomas. What happened? Wait. Where am I? Where am I and why am I here? Hello. What were you doing in my box? What was you doing in my box? That would be my box and where's Lenny? Where's John? Where's Dutch? Alright, I don't know what's going on here. Do you have a name or something? I'm Arthur Morgan. I don't know what I'm doing here. I gotta find my way to Tahiti. Tahiti? What are we doing from Tahiti all the way? Wait, are you supposed to be in the middle of the ocean? It doesn't matter, but, I'm here for I'm here for something valuable. And, do you have any other friends? Yeah, I do, but they're all in their sheds right now. They're like doing a deportation or a desperation or something like that. Do you mean a deputation? Yes, that's what I mean. Anyway, what are you in here for? Well, I am here to... Oh my lord. What a beautiful tree. That's what I was here for. I'm here for that tree. Blue puffball, please. I gotta have it. I gotta have it to take me back to Tahiti. You listen here. I'm not getting rid of my tree. This is the best tree I have. And if you want to take it, you just gotta say, oh, Skibbity, I'm going away. Hey, come back here. Oh, I'm about to sell this on eBay real quick. Come back here. No. Oh, my leg. You're a walrus. You're a fish. You don't have any legs. And speaking of which, give me this. I know it's a beautiful tree, but don't you ever take it from me. I gotta get the ordnance over there now. Man, that walrus sure fed me up.
2 hours later.
Alright, tree's fixed. Man, it's sure been a wild day. Man, it's sure been a wild day. No more walruses and no more tree snatchers. It's all good. It's all dandy. Man, everything going back to normal. Another one? Oh, FedEx, I'm gonna sue you. How many times are you gonna be in that... You again? What are you doing here again? I thought I just kicked you out. I just want to apologize. I'm sorry if I took your tree. I forgive you. But if you take any more of my property, I'm going to call 911. Understand? Yes, sir. Alright. If you want, you can help me adjust the tree a little bit, make it nicer. Mr. Tank Engine? Yes? What do you want? I hope you didn't mind, but... What you could possibly done? I brought some of my friends over. I told them about the news of the white tree. What do you mean your other friend? Hey, I'm with the IRS, and you haven't made your house payment yet, so we're gonna have to take your tree. Are you seriously kidding?